Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. This is Tony from volokinproject and today I'm doing a durability test of the new Nokia 800 Tough. They say it's military graded, so I'm planning to run over it with my 6-door limo. But before I do that, make sure you watch the rest of the video, scratch, burn and bend test, and then I'm gonna run over it at the end of the video. Capish? Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. This is Tony and today I'm gonna do a scratch, burn, bend and everyday pocket test of the Nokia 800 Tough. Nokia says that there's a military grade phone with IP68 certification. I've already tested the waterproofness of the phone in my full review, which I'm gonna link in the description down below. I've already done the unboxing as well, guys. In my next video, if this phone survives the bend test, I'm going to throw it out of a 5-story car park to the ground. But today we're here for this crash test and to see what kind of materials did they use to build this phone. So straight away, let's start with the screen, shall we? Today I've got my little razor blade over here. It equals to about 5 on the Mohs scale of hardness, which means that it shouldn't scratch the screen if it's made of glass, but unfortunately, as you can see over here from these fine scratches, the screen is made of plastic. Unfortunately, this is not a screen protector on top of it, guys, so you can see these fine scratches, which means that the phone is going to scratch from everyday objects, guys. Okay, so let's try the buttons now, guys. Ooh, a nice cut through the buttons. Check this out, guys. This is really not good. Check this out. Oh yeah, it went straight through pretty much. This is made of plastic, I can imagine. Of course, it is easy to scratch over here, guys. I'm gonna do a few fine scratches on this material as well. It looks like metal, but unfortunately it is plastic, guys. I could have wished they've put stereo speakers, but they didn't. There's just a hole for the mic. At the top of the phone, this is not even plastic, guys. I managed to pry this one off. It is just a sticker, which is unfortunate because it looks like metal. So I've got this back over here. I'm gonna just throw the phone in, guys, and I'm gonna throw some everyday objects like those car keys over here. These are my everyday home keys, guys. I'm just gonna throw in a few coins over here as well and one of those earrings. I'm gonna make it tight like that and just gonna shake it like that a few times and just do a quick rub over here to see what's gonna happen, guys. Let's shake it a little bit more. Yeah, I'm sorry the camera is shaking, but my whole apartment is shaking, so yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Oops. All right, I didn't want to scratch the other phones, but I'm gonna remove the back over here, guys, and let's see what happens. I've got a small scratch over here on the screen, guys. The body looks fine, to be honest with you. Little scratches over here, but overall excellent. So from day-to-day usage, you shouldn't have problems with this phone. The sides are made of plastic as well, and they're quite durable as far as I can see, guys. My razor blade doesn't do much damage to them, which is perfectly fine. The rubber over here, I can pierce with a knife through it, but it doesn't do much damage either. Now I'm gonna try to cut this hanger over here. I'm really not sure if that's the correct way to pronounce that, but I'm really not sure how is it called. I just call it a hanger, guys. But as you can see, I cannot really cut it, which means that it's made from something quite durable, so I'm really happy about that. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to make a fine scratch over here, guys. That's all right, and this is our flash over here, which is made of plastic as well. Moving on to the back, let's quickly test the rear flash. Of course, it's made of plastic and it is going to scratch the rear camera. Ooh, check this out. Ooh, that is some soft plastic over here. The metal, otherwise, it's quite nice and it's not gonna scratch at all, guys. And now the back cover itself, let's see what we can do. Woo! These are some fine scratches over here. Let's make it a tiger. All right. Let's see if those scratches are going to rub off, guys. Unfortunately, they don't rub off and they're permanent. And let's give it a try with this Nokia logo over here. And it is so easy to remove the letters over here, which I can imagine they're gonna come off naturally. So let's proceed with the burn test. We already know that the screen is made of plastic, so I'm not going to be surprised if it melts like that, guys. Let's see what is going to happen actually, and if you're gonna get some permanent damage on the bottom of the screen. Okay, it starts to melt over here, but the normal screen is absolutely fine. From what I can see, it's just the top plastic layer started to melt a little bit, but this is no problem whatsoever. Now I'm gonna take my little torture device over here, my little hammer, and just make a few indentations of the screen to see what's gonna happen, guys. But because the actual screen is plastic, nothing is going to happen really. Of course, some scratches, but not much more than that. And now the moment that you've all been waiting for, the bend test, guys. I'm almost 95 kilos, so I've got some strength, so let's see if I'm gonna try to bend it or not. Full power here. Nope, it doesn't move at all, guys. Very sturdy. Let's try from this place here. No. Let's try it like that. Nope. Absolutely no flex whatsoever, guys. The bend test is complete, which means that now I'm gonna try to run over it with the limo. Alright, so that's the Nokia 800 Tough in my hands. It survived my durability test, as you can see. So I'm just gonna place it over here, guys. Alright, and now let's roll, baby. Alright, 2.7 tons of weight, guys. Let's see if this poor little phone survives that. Let's go. Oh yeah. Woo! 2.7. So let's see what happened, guys. Did it survive? No, unfortunately the screen is cracked, guys. Well. And over here we've got some signs from the asphalt, nothing major. But man, you know what's the reason that the screen felt like that? Because they've used plastic over here. If they used glass, that would have been more durable. So yeah, that wraps it up, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Volokinproject, and in the next video I'm gonna drop it from a 5-story car park, guys, to see if it's going to destroy it or not. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.